Did you know a single lightning bolt gets 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? Yeah, that's right. Lightning superheats the air around it to about 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's surface? Only around 5,500 degrees Celsius. Lightning wins by a lot. That insane heat is why thunder cracks so loud. The air explodes outward. And electricity? It moves crazy fast, almost at the speed of light. We're talking nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. If electricity could carry you, you'd circle the entire Earth more than 7 times in just 1 second. Mind blown yet? Speaking of shocks, electric eels aren't playing around. They can generate up to 860 volts, way more than a wall outlet. That's enough to stun fish, horses, or even knock a human down. Nature's built-in taser. Even your own brain runs on electricity. Billions of tiny electrical signals firing every second just so you can think, feel, or watch this right now. You're basically a walking power plant. Which fact shocked you the most? Lightning hotter than the sun? Eel zaps? Comment below. Save this video and follow for more insane electricity facts daily. #DidYouKnow, #ElectricityFacts.